guys, today me and my best friend I got you and thing. Be a man so go on with and so yeah. Today me I wear on red spaghetti, cut up jeans and my red Converse out of the bed.
Motherfuckers. Oh, I'm just joking. Hey guys, my name is Cleopatra. You can follow me also on YouTube at Kelly White 11 and watch my video. I'm here in the Joseph, no? I put my baby in a shop. Yeah. You know what's my man? Joke too fast. Can't expose him because I get a thief. Girl with teeth, yeah man. So I don't know, but whatever. This can flip. See it here. Looking for men's shirts, come to Joseph. Yeah. So guys, I'm in the next clothes store. Couldn't get what I want. Well, the size what he wanted. Yeah, so I'm here. Looking at bags. Guys, I'm bored-ish. I know I am happy because I found someone real and genuine. Oh, listen to me. That's what I say. So, here. Really pizza here. I'm gonna say that you just love bright colors. Just buy one solid. You know, if my buy them, she's gonna buy black or white because you can't wear it anything. I'm gonna have much red. Yes?
Coming up King Street on the left hand side, coming up King Street on the right hand side. Just look for a fashion for extra 68 King Street. Indian for cheap. Push the door and come in, push the door and come in. Indians always say the cheap and clean. Push the door and come in, push the door and come in. Come and see the tech, you don't know what I mean. Push the door and come in, push the door and come in. 68 King Street, sell the cheapest. Push the door and come in, push the door and come in. You don't charge up, you push the door and come in.
I've been at one store where I walk from store to store to store to store. I don't know how I'm home to that girl here. I'm tired. Oh. So, killer dead, watch her. Oi. Oi.
Because she's so aggressive and rough, like no man not gonna want her. I'm gonna waste money, you know. Unless I'm gonna want to reach you.
So we're going to walk on them again. Outfit of the day.
Like Bestie, addicted, like weed, addicted, like music, baby.
Hey guys. So we're here at the beautiful waterfront, you know.
Again.
We are here. You guys don't need to know who we're here with. But thank you so much for following BTG channel. Remember to subscribe to mine at Kelly White 11. Yeah.
So we're just there. We look cute tonight.
And follow me on Snapchat at Cleo_White.
Our name I got there right there, so.
Yeah, you.
We don't even know what we are going to do today. What are we doing? Like, seriously.
Well, I am here with someone really special.
Who's that?
blushing.
No, yeah, I know for some reason. Yeah.
Serious. Well. I'm slimmatic though. Shout out to them slim girls out there. I'm a slim with a little ass on tits. And she's a thickum.
That's my best friend though.
Yeah, we besties. That's my bestie. Yeah. Anyways, guys. Oh, look at the sunset. Check it out. There we go. Anyways, guys. You remember those lips that I told you that I gotta taste? I'm gonna taste them right now.
Really?
I'm about to leave. So we had fun though.
Especially me.
This was just a mini vlog, you know. But anyways, see you guys later.
Remember to subscribe and leave a comment and share.
Yeah, all of that.
It was really fun with Cleo and her man and things. So I go home. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go home. Maybe cook some food or buy food or I don't know. So see you again in my next vlog. Although this was very short, but I just so right now, but you know one of them JUTC bus there. I wait for the 4 pounds in Cambodia. There was good day. So yeah.
You're no bad like unruly. Big triangle brand. Shut up, play on your head like Rudy. I am so fucking unruly. No little wanna be that can't fool me. Suck your mother dog. You're no bad like unruly.
Look good under you. Get a 150. Lady, look good, you want to look good under you. Lady, look good, just. Lady.